We flew 14 hours to go to China to investigate one of the largest wash factories in the world. From massive industrial washing machines to highly secretive distressing techniques, we uncover it all. These are secrets that clothing brand owners have gatekept for years. Why are these pieces being washed with stone? What does this deadly salt do to the garments? And is this even good for the environment? In this video, we answer all of these questions and more. You know we stay giving y'all a free game? Now let's get into the video. Guys, we just pulled up to a wash factory. What province or what town is this?
This is Shenzhen City.
Shenzhen City.
Yeah.
A lot of factories, they outsource different products. So you guys outsource your washing to this factory.
Yeah.
How come you guys don't have your own wash house? Why do you use his wash house?
They have already worked for us many years, and also it's because the wash process is a very complex part. If we do this part, we need to hire a lot of very experienced workers. I think out of source will be more easier for us to do work. They have a lot of different wash process.
And this is the owner?
Yeah, he's the boss of the wash factory.
The big boss, big boss.
That's
How
what
long
he
you
should
guys been working together?
Maybe it's already over 10 years.
10 years. And he can give us a tour?
Yeah.
Let's go. What are the different types of washes that they do here?
They mainly do slope wash, monkey wash, and acid wash, and a lot of different process, not only for the denim product, also for the hoodie and the t-shirts.
So monkey wash, vintage wash, stone wash, all of that.
Yeah.
Done here. All the factories are sending their garments here?
Yeah.
Like this is pre-wash.
这是成衣染是吧？
对，这是成衣染。
This is garment dye. So the original pants is white. So after that, they dye it in this color.
They send it as a white garment,
Yeah.
and then it gets washed, turned to this color.
Yeah.
What is the good thing about garment dye? What does that do?
成衣染这是有什么好处嘞？
成衣染色的话，它
Some of time, our client didn't want to use the in-stock colors. They gave us a pattern color code or a references colors. We can just dye it much
Custom
closer.
color, essentially.
Yeah, much close to the custom
Ah.
colors.
Whenever you guys order from the factories, they have like color swatches, right? And they have like pre-dyed fabric. But if you wanted to make something more custom, you would go through this process right here, and it allows you to give you a more custom color dye. The other thing about garment dye that I like is in the dyeing process, all the garments shrink. So when you get them, they're essentially pre-shrunk. So this is all products that have to get dyed,
Yeah,
essentially.
it's waiting for dye.
Those are already dyed. These are waiting to be dyed. So whenever you get a garment dye product, they start off looking like this. They're white, and then it goes to that process. What about this? What is this? These are already
这个
dyed or
这个也
no?
是染完的不？
没有洗水之前的。
哦、This is the raw denim before the wash.
And then once you wash it, it turns into something like this.
Yeah.
经过
Wow.
洗水之后，就会变成这样的成品。
After the wash, it will be same like this.
And how do you get like these whiskers and these different text gradients on the wash?
Actually, this pants include a lot of different wash process, same like this one. Spray on it.
So is this PP spray?
Yeah, it's PP
So it's
spray.
the same as this, the PP spray.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the raw fabric, and what they're doing is they're putting a spray on it. It's called potassium spray. The potassium spray gives it this whiskers, and it gives it this sort of like vintage look right here. I'm actually gonna show you the potassium spray over there. So as you can see over here, guys, this is all raw denim fabric. And then what he does is he puts up like a purple spray on it.
It's a chemical. It's a chemical.
It's a chemical.
Spray.
You guys see how on the denim, there's like a vintage effect right here? That's wherever he's spraying it, it's gonna make it vintage.
对。
就经过那个炒雪花，就把这个面炒白了。
Oh.
Okay,
So
wait,
after
wait.
this, they will do the slow wash on that product.
This is the raw denim. He's putting the PP spray. Wherever he sprays the PP spray, it gives it
Around
like
this
this.
part.
It gives it a more vintage look. And then what they do with this is they take these garments right here and they put them in this
To this
machine right
machine.
here. See, so these are the denims with the PP. They throw them in here. They wash them with these stones right here. What is this?
It's cotton ball.
Cotton balls. Where are the stones?
石磨的是另外一种工序。
The stone wash is another process.
Oh, so what is
It's
this?
another
What does
different-
this do?
This is a slow wash.
Slow wash?
Yeah.
What is slow wash?
The slow wash will be same like this effect. This is slow wash.
Oh, so it makes it almost like a lighter color. And what chemicals are putting inside of here to make it lighter?
It's same chemical with the PP spray.
To make it more aged, essentially. So the cotton balls give it this texture?
Yeah, give this kind of texture.
Oh, they do the PP spray. It goes into this, it's called a slow wash. It washes with cotton balls that are also infused with chemicals to to make it from this raw denim into something that's like more of a lighter aged denim. And then what about this? What's over
这个
here?
是什么架 ？The chemical liquid is same with that machine, just the inside is different. This is the kind of salt.
Salt. What does it do?
烤
So
盐
the
的
effect will seem like this.
烤盐的要
Oh,
细
like-
腻，
It
炒
will be
水花就
more
很
flat.
This machine right here, guys, what they're doing is they're washing it with these
把那个
like
板拿
it's
一
like
条堆一
salt.
下吧。
It makes the whites smoother. Like if you feel this, the fabric is not as coarse, softer.
So you can see the difference.
Yeah. So this is the slow wash with the cotton balls, and this feels a little bit more coarse and more rough. And then this one right here is the wash with the salt, and this feels a lot softer. In terms of the color, this color is like slightly more muted, whereas this one, the gradient and the contrast is higher. Just this. And if they wanted this sort of wash, what do they ask for? Salt wash?
This is sea salt.
Sea salt, salt
Yeah,
wash.
this is sea salt. 这个洗水方法叫什么呢？
烤盐。
See that?
So if you guys wanted something like this, you would ask for salt wash. And then if you wanted something like this, you would ask for slow wash. There's one little difference right here is the difference between this product and this product.
Different effect.
Yeah, different effects. You could eat this with your food or no?
It's not allowed to eat. No, no. 看我那个可不可以吃？
不，这是工业的。
And then what's over here?
哦。Maybe we can go.
But what's on this side? I know they don't want to see, but what is it?
This is just a wash machine.
So it's just a regular washer dryer, essentially.
Yeah.
These sort of washes, how much is it per one garment to wash?
Estimate will have 5 different wash process on one same product. The price depends need to based on how many process of one product.
If you do like a PP spray, slow wash, stone
Stone
wash, you
wash.
could stack the different types of washes. It's not
Yeah.
just one wash. You could do
Yeah.
like 5 washes or you could do 1 wash.
Yeah.
I saw this over here. So whenever you guys get a garment that is like washed, they use this. This is what they call stone wash. These are pumice stones.
那个是实
And
洗
they
的
put
时
these
候是吧
inside of the washing machines to give you like a stone wash effect.
Dryer machine.
Dryers.
Dryer machine. Yeah.
So these are industrial washing machines,
Yeah.
and then these are industrial drying
Yeah,
machines.
afterwards, just dryer it in this machine.
So what they do is they put all the effects on it, then they just wash it like you would do laundry, and they dry it just like you would do laundry. It's just at scale. How come they don't want to be recorded? Anka angry.
They have a lot of label on it.
Oh, labels. Oh, they don't want the
Yeah.
brands to know.
Yeah.
A lot of your favorite denim manufacturers, a lot of your favorite brands, they are getting it washed at this factory right here.
We need to
Protect the
keep
brands.
the brand secret.
Yeah.
Some of brand owners will be a little bit sensitive to expose their
Their-
brand, their factories on the social media.
I wouldn't be surprised if like the big dogs are getting their stuff washed here. How many people work in this factory?
It's around 30 people.
How long has he been running the wash factory for?
一共是几年的经验呢？
我们洗水的话，现在我们从业到现在有
Around 16.
16 years.
16, yeah.
1-6, wow. Oh, so this is over here is the stone wash.
Actually, all of these machines can do the stone wash. Just put the stones inside.
The stones I showed you guys below, what they do is they put all the garments in here with the stones, and when they wash it, does he have one that effect?
现在正在洗的有吗？
Oh shit. He's a squirter. That's a squirter right there. So come look guys, over here. Oh, no stones. Where are the stones?
有吗？
实习的，现在
They don't have
Oh, they don't have
machines
the
doing
stones.
the stone wash
Okay.
right now. So this is the
Process.
first process. The low denim need to be washed first, then do the another process.
Also, what's interesting guys is this is a dryer. Watch how
Yeah.
he's drying this garment. This is how he dries it. Hot air.
After wash, they need to dry one piece
Yeah.
first to compare with the simple colors.
It's a fast way to dry 1 or 2 pieces.
Yes.
What kind of wash is done on this?
没有别的了。
It's like
Maybe
stone
only
wash.
the sea salt wash.
Oh, sea salt wash.
Yeah.
What they'll do is just to make sure that the sample's approved,
Yeah,
they'll
so-
wash one and then they come here and they dry it.
Dry it.
Yeah,
And
like he's
compare
drying it.
with the samples.
So this is a sea salt wash.
Yeah, this is the bulk piece.
This is essentially takes out all the water, right?
Yeah.
When they get it out the washing machines, this is like another form of drying. What it does is it spins really fast. You know when y'all go to Lifetime and you get the swimming suit and they got that machine
you want-
and it squeeges out all the water? This is a wholesale version of that. And this takes out all the water. So all of these machines are essentially washing machines.
Yeah, small machine is for washing the samples.
Samples.
Yeah, the large one is for bulk goods.
But all the washing machines can essentially do garment dye, stone wash, and regular wash, right? And
Yeah.
salt wash. So essentially, all of these washing machines, they do all the different types of washes. It just depends on what you're putting in the washing machine. So if you want to stone wash it, you put stones in there. If you want to salt wash it, you put salt in there. If you want to garment dye it, you just put the dye in there. All these washing machines are essentially open vessels, and what gives you the different type of wash is combination of ingredients that you put in to the washing machines. And then where does this water all go to?
自己有自己的污水处理。
They have their waste pond to deal with this.
Oh, so there's a waste, it goes to a waste pond.
Yeah.
Does he ever worry about, Americans are so worried about environment. Does he ever worry about the environment?
The country have a standard. We need to deal with this water first, then put it maybe into the river.
我们有国家
Everyone
监测
in America
我们有
that's
国家的
talking about
监测
eco-friendly and all that
84
bullshit,
监测在这里
if you're consuming denim, if you're consuming clothes, it's all contributing to the non-sustainability of the world. I hate to break it to you, but I'm just not gonna be the one to lie to you, because it's like you cannot make washes in denim without water and quote unquote pollution. So that's just what it is. Oh, so here, he's gonna do the water thing right now. So these are just super wet. It spins really, really fast and it takes out all the water right here. See, there's a squirter. Oh hell, that's crazy. It's literally like, I don't know if you guys go to Lifetime, but if you go to Lifetime and you have like a wet swimming suit, it's literally like an industrial version of the machine that they have at Lifetime. What was once soaking wet is now a little less wet and it's easier for him to dry. And then what is this over here? These are all just industrial dryers?
Yeah, all of these are dryer machine.
Ah.
烘干，
How much tons of apparel does he think he process a day?
像这3000件的要。
一天
Ah.
3,000 per day.
3,000 pieces per day.
Yeah.
Wow.
For the denim products, they also have another dyeing workshop next to the room, and on the top floor is for the raw of fabric.
Garment dye, it all starts with white fabric.
Yeah,
and
white
then
raw fabric.
they dye the color. How does he get the color correct?
提供一件
He just
样衣嘛
guessed？
我们对
Yeah.
比样衣来做。
The client will provide them a sample. After that, they just need to test it until they get the correct color.
Where's the powder for the dye? Can I see?
有的。
Most of the time, they just need to try to close the sewing line.
Oh, so they just try to match this.
Yeah, match this color.
So whenever they're garment dyeing a product, they use the sewing color to try to get it as close as possible, and they just try to match this. Oh shit, so this is all the dye. Can you ask him how much dye does it take to dye a t-shirt?
染一个 T 恤需要多少分啊
Little bit?
？T 恤，正常染200件 T 恤的话呢，
It depends on the quantity and the colors. If the color is a night color, just
Less
around,
dye.
Yeah, less dye. So maybe around 20 gram. If it's a dark colors, same like the black or dark blue, it will maybe reach to around 500 gram.
Oh, wow. So essentially, whenever you're garment dyeing a product, this is where they get all the powder and the dyes. Lighter colors require less powder, so maybe around 20 grams. And then darker colors, like something like a black or a dark brown, requires around 500 grams. So the darker it is, the more dye that they'll need. The lighter it is, the less dye they'll need. I'll give you guys a perfect example. This is the final product, right? But it starts off as this, as a white product. Whenever you're making a product like this, the black is all solid black. When you do a garment dye, this part of the color is different than this. It's lighter. It gives it vintage sort of effect. So that's why you want to garment dye it. Making this is cheaper because this fabric has already been dyed in lots, and then they're cutting it and sewing it. So anytime you get a garment dye product, it's gonna be more expensive because it's a whole additional extra step to the product. But I would say that garment dye products are better quality because they're already washed. So it's gonna be pre-shrunk. I'm giving you guys too much game, man. Like, I'm gonna get in trouble for this. They're essentially getting all the our garments ready to get garment dyed, right?
Yeah.
What they're doing is they're taking the pre-sewn white pieces and they're just quality controlling it, cutting all the seams, so that way they're ready to dye. So anytime you guys order products from the label, you can trust and believe that there's gonna be less shrinkage because they're going through this process. And you can garment dye with any fabric, like polyester, it doesn't matter, or it has to be 100% cotton.
Normally only 100% cotton.
What, because polyester doesn't dye well?
不怎么上色，底是
Yeah.
滑天。
Yeah. So whenever you guys get garment dye products, they have to be 100% cotton because the polyester essentially won't hold the dye. So this is the 4th floor, and this up here, I guess the pre-shrinking process?
就这个啦，不可以给他看吗？
This is after it's done.
Yeah, afterwards it will have a more soft touching finish.
All right, so the reason why I'm doing this video is because I want you guys to visualize and see the washing process. Wong over here is never gonna take your order. You need to go through somebody like Christina, who's a finishing factory that's gonna handle this process for you. Understanding and visualizing the wash, the reason why I'm doing it is so that way you can understand, hey, what actually goes into making this product and how does the product actually come out looking like this. This is crazy. I took a 14-hour plane ride, a 6-hour train ride, and been in the car for over 4 hours to come here to give you guys all the sauce and all the free game. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is information that I would put inside of a course and charge you $2,000, $3,000 for, but I'm giving it to you for absolutely free. And if they wanted to order wash products, they can order through you, right?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Our Instagram is Huini Apparel.
This is the time of the video where I gotta go because it's hot, man. I'm sweating, bro. I'm sweating out here giving this content for you guys. If you're watching this video, this is how our iconic weathered zip up sets are made. This is the factory that is making them. This is the factory that's distressing them, and this is the factory that's washing them. There's a couple key takeaways. So number one, because wash houses are so bad for the environment, the Chinese government only gives out a certain amount of licenses. So it's really hard for you to start a wash house from scratch. They were telling me the people who do the PP spray, those people make a lot of money because smelling it and consuming it every day is bad for their lungs. It deteriorates their health. There's a part where they were distressing. There's nothing industrial about it. It's literally just them sitting on a fucking stool and just shh, 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 one by one. If you want me to travel the world and do like an Anthony Bourdain series on all the factories, I need this shit to get to 500,000 likes. Where should I go next? Should I go to Pakistan? Should I go to Bangladesh? Should I go to Los Angeles for LA manufacturing? Y'all let me know in the comments where I should go next. You know, we stay giving y'all free game. Go buy something on superlinewholesale.com because that's what's funding these videos. I don't got no more brand deals. I don't got no more sponsorships. All of these videos, I'm paying all of it out of my own money. Buy some products on superlinewholesale.com. And I'm not waxing y'all. I'm giving y'all the best deal that you can find in the world. Peace.